Ayan po yung laman niya. Carrots, celery, meat, shrimp. And ibabalot po. Sabaw po yan para sa obo, bali carrots, foxnuts, at saka yung ugat-ugat, apple, corn, brown and red dates.